Hi, everyone. It's Ben Adams with the American Offset Mortgage. And today I am in one of the most interesting places on Earth, the Sonoran Desert. Now, right now, it's about 115 degrees outside. It's incredibly hot. But this desert is so unique, not just for the temperatures, but for all of the wildlife, the animal life, the plant life down here. It's one of the most unique places in the world. But we're not here just to talk about the desert and all of the life down here. We are going to talk about that, but we're also going to talk about real estate and specifically short-term vacation rentals. And this property right here is one of my properties that I purchased about 2 years ago. And I'd love to give you a tour, show you some of the amenities that the property has and why it does so well as a short-term vacation rental. So buckle up and follow me. One thing that's really interesting about this property is that it has such incredible elevation. This right here is where the driveway starts, and we are now going to start our ascent up. And as we are starting our ascent up, you're going to notice a lot of different plant life. And this is our first stop right here. This is a Saguaro Cactus. It's about 40 feet tall. And a fun fact on Saguaro cactuses, did you know that Saguaro cactuses, before they grow any limbs or any arms, they're about 50 years old. So it's estimated that this cactus right here is between 70 to 90 years old. And that is so special to say that, this incredible plant and this cactus is on the property being that old. That is so cool. And not only that, did you know that there's 6 or 7 saguaro cactuses on the property? So I love cactuses, and saguaro cactuses are actually native to the Sonoran Desert. So you will not find them anywhere else in the world. They're native to this specific desert in southern Arizona. Now, one thing that is so fun about the property is the elevation that it has. We just walked up this really big hill, which is the driveway, and we're not even near the front door yet. But as we're at the top of the driveway here, as you look around, you'll start to see some of the incredible views and just how majestic the desert is. And that's one reason that I love this property so much, is that it has incredible elevation. All right, so here we are at the top of the driveway. We are at the bottom of the stairs to the main entry, to the main door of the home, and we're going to start our ascent up into the home. Now, as we're going up here, again, you'll get a better feel for just the elevation of the property, how many stairs there are going up, and you're going to be in for a treat when we get up to the top here. And this is it. Welcome to Saguaro Vista, our short-term vacation rental in the Sonoran Desert. Come on in. Now, as we enter the home here, we're going to be led right into this great room. And this is one of my favorite rooms in the house. You'll see the vaulted ceilings. We have some fun furnishings, but look at the natural light and the openness that it has. You'll see the backyard here and the incredible views that it has. You can actually overlook downtown Tucson. Not only that, though, we always like to have some fun with the art. I found a local artist here, a photographer here in Tucson, who photographs wildlife, and I was just so touched and impressed by all of her art. And I reached out to her and I made a donation to the Coyote Preserve, and she sent over all of these photos that we could hang up. You'll see just how fun these photos are here. These are javelinas, and they're also native to the area. That's a coyote right there. I had a friend of mine did this with pencil. So this is pencil art, nothing other than a pencil and paper. We have a wolf, we have a rattlesnake, And then we also have a hummingbird. And then lastly, we have the family portrait. We're actually from Colorado, and the tabletop mountain is very popular in Colorado. And then these are our spirit animals. All right, now I'm going to show you one of my other favorite areas is the kitchen. So right this way, let's head on into the kitchen. Now, from a short-term vacation rental perspective, this property will house 12 guests per night. What's great about this kitchen is just the size, how open it is. It's a very, very oversized kitchen, but a lot of times when families stay at a short-term vacation rental, they want to be able to share memories and spend time together, and this is a great area to do that. As we walk through the kitchen here, you can just see how big the kitchen is. I love the vaulted ceilings. We also have a sitting area over here. This is a lot of fun to have coffee or drink your tea in the morning. It's very well lit. We have natural lighting with the windows. We have skylights over here. There's more windows. And you can see how big this kitchen table is. This kitchen table actually seats 10 very comfortably. So everyone at the house has a place to sit, either at the kitchen table here or the 2 additional spots. Now, one thing that I also love is just Southwest art. We found an artist here in town. She's world renowned. Her name's Diana Madras. And she has an art gallery. And this is a piece that we picked up right from her art gallery, which is only a couple miles away. And as we walk through the home here, you'll see in the house, we just have a lot of fun Southwest pieces. This is another Southwest artist that we found. This is that same wildlife photographer from earlier that I was talking about. Her favorite animal to photograph is coyotes. And these coyotes right here, she caught in their wild element, and you can just see how playful and fun they are. We have 3 photographs right here as you walk in, and you could say that these coyotes are just kind of horsing around, and they really are like dogs. They love to be playful, they love to be silly, and so fun to have these photographs up in the house here. Now, right over here, this is the dining room. We actually converted this to another living area. We redid the flooring here. We pulled out the carpet. We got white hardwood tile in, and it's just another area to sit and congregate at. There is a TV here. This is the only TV other than some of the bedroom TVs that's in the main living area. And again, just having the natural lighting, the skylight, it really helps create a fun ambiance. Now, this property has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. All 3 bathrooms have at least 1 shower. This right here is the hallway bathroom. So that's just off the second living area. There's a lot of just nature photos. The goal of that is to really make everyone feel like they're plugged in with the desert, because we are. This property sits on an acre right in the middle of the desert, and we just have all of these friendly desert landscaping photographs up. Now, what really makes this home special is not the home itself necessarily, but it's the outdoor space, it's the elevation, it's the views, and it's the pool. So let's go in the backyard and start to check some of those areas out. Now, one of my favorite parts of this home is just the views. Look at these views here. We're right in a valley, and you can see all the way to downtown Tucson. You can see the mountains in the background. You can see the Saguaro Cactuses. Let's come over here to this Vantage Point. And this is a really fun spot to have coffee in the morning, come out here and just really absorb nature and absorb the views here. If you look down below, you'll get to see the beautiful pool area. And then you're also going to see some incredible views of the surrounding desert, the mountains, and just so stunning. And that is what makes this property so popular with guests. They just love the views. They love the pool area. Off to the right here, we have some incredible mountain views. And then you'll see the spa right below that. Let's go down to the pool area. Now, the fact that the pool is on another level, it has a really fun feeling. It has a very resort type feeling. We're going to open this gate right here, and we're going to walk down the spiral staircase to the pool area. So right now we are on the spa deck, and once again, it is all about the views. Of course, we have the spa and the hot tub right here, but we also just have incredible views really in every direction. It's a lot of fun to come down here at night, have all the lights off, and there are just incredible views of the stars. Such a fun place to do some stargazing. And then here we are at the pool. Another thing that's really popular with guests is that this is a heated pool. And so even in the winter, when the overnight lows get down into the 30s or 40s, we can still heat this pool up to 80 degrees. The spa will go up to 104. And you'll just start to get a feel for what it's like being in the desert down here. And this is what makes this home so special. It's the fact that we're plugged right into the desert. We're in a very native part of the desert. This property has incredible elevation, and then it has this really fun, just incredible pool area with the heated pool, with the heated spa. And this is where a lot of the guests love to spend their time. And what we're going to do now, we're going to go back inside the house, and I'm going to show you the rest of the house.